I hope the wait was worth it. Oh, hold up. That presentation is, oh, the fries is hitting me. The smell of the fries is oh. Okay, Mom, okay. What you gonna do with that? Tell us what you gonna do.
I'm gonna fry the wings. I'm gonna fry.
Oh, uh-oh. Okay, off the roof.
They're hot.
They're hot?
They're good.
They better be hot.
They're good.
How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing? Oh, no, sir, we good.
What's your show, OG?
Okay. See, ooh, Lord.
You know, you can have the same experience tomorrow. Y'all come back.
Heard. What y'all got going on tomorrow?
Same old good food.
Heard.